Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you ready to supercharge your diet and take your nutrition game to the next level? Today, I'm sharing the ultimate list of 7 foods you need to be consuming regularly for maximum health benefits. These aren't just your ordinary healthy foods. Each one is packed with unique properties that will nourish your body and mind. So, grab a cup of tea, settle in, and let's dive into the delicious world of vibrant, nutrient-packed superfoods. First up, we've got a tangy, crunchy superfood that your gut will thank you for: sauerkraut. Let's get into why this fermented gem is a must-have in your diet. Sauerkraut, or fermented cabbage, isn't just a topping for hot dogs. It's a powerhouse of nutrients that'll transform your health. Here's why you should be eating it. First up, it's high in vitamin C, essential for boosting your immune system, supporting skin health, and combating oxidative stress. Secondly, it's a great prebiotic and probiotic. Sauerkraut is teeming with beneficial bacteria that improve your gut health, aid digestion, and enhance nutrient absorption. Third, it's packed with powerful phytonutrients. These compounds fight inflammation and may even reduce the risk of chronic diseases like cancer. Fourth, easy to digest. Thanks to the fermentation process, sauerkraut's nutrients are more bioavailable, meaning your body can easily absorb them. Fifth, high in lactic acid. This natural preservative not only gives sauerkraut its distinctive tangy flavor, but also helps maintain a balanced gut microbiome. Sixth, on the list of benefits is it's loaded with vitamin K2, a key nutrient for bone health and heart health. And lastly, it's rich in vitamin U, known for supporting stomach health and preventing ulcers. The best part? It's incredibly versatile. Add it to your salads, sandwiches, or enjoy a small bowl as a snack. Just make sure to go for raw, unpasteurized sauerkraut to get all the probiotic goodness. Let's move on to our next food. Arugula, aka rocket. Arugula is that peppery, leafy green you've probably seen in salads. But did you know it's a nutritional superstar? Here's why you should give this humble green some serious love. Firstly, it's packed with powerful phytonutrients. These antioxidants combat free radicals and help protect your cells from damage. Next, supports liver function. Arugula contains compounds that stimulate liver detoxification and improve overall liver health. Third, low in oxalates. Unlike spinach, arugula is low in oxalates, meaning your body can absorb its calcium more efficiently. Fourth, its anti-inflammatory properties. Its compounds can reduce inflammation, helping to protect against chronic conditions. 5. High in nitric oxide. Arugula boosts nitric oxide production, which improves blood flow and supports cardiovascular health. Lastly, rich in vitamins and minerals. Think calcium, potassium, folate, magnesium, vitamin C, and vitamin K1. Arugula is a nutrient-packed punch in every bite. Whether you toss it into a salad, blend it into a smoothie, or add it as a pizza topping, arugula is as versatile as it is nutritious. Next, we're diving into the ocean to talk about salmon. When it comes to nutrient density, salmon is the best, specifically wild-caught fatty salmon with the skin on. Its list of benefits include: it's high in selenium. This trace mineral supports thyroid function, reduces oxidative stress, and strengthens the immune system. Secondly, loaded with omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s are essential for brain health, reducing inflammation, and supporting heart health. And third, it's rich in vitamin K2, zinc, and calcium. These nutrients work together to promote strong bones and overall vitality. For the best benefits, aim for wild-caught salmon instead of farmed. And don't skip the crispy skin, it's packed with nutrients. Moving right along, let's talk about another ocean treasure: cod liver. Cod liver might not be on everyone's radar, but it's a true superfood. It's rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Like salmon, cod liver provides healthy fats that reduce inflammation and support brain health. It's also packed with vitamins A and D. These fat-soluble vitamins are crucial for eye health, immune function, and strong bones. Plus, it contains vitamin K2. Another reason cod liver is great for bone health and cardiovascular function. High in iodine and B vitamins. These nutrients support thyroid health and energy production. Up next, let's talk about a surprising favorite: hamburgers. Hamburgers might sound indulgent, but when you choose grass-fed, fatty, and organic options, they're a nutritional powerhouse. Grass-fed beef is gentler on your digestive system compared to processed meats. It's low on the glycemic index. This means it won't spike your blood sugar levels. It's rich in amino acids, the building blocks of proteins that your body needs for growth and repair. An excellent source of available iron, vital for energy and oxygen transport in the body. And lastly, it's packed with nutrients, including phosphorus, selenium, zinc, B vitamins, carnosine, and creatine. With the right preparation, hamburgers can be both delicious and nutritious. Now, let's talk about a snack favorite, pecans. These buttery, crunchy nuts are more than just a tasty treat. Pecans are loaded with health benefits. They are low on the glycemic index. Pecans are perfect for maintaining steady blood sugar levels. They're rich in zinc and copper. These trace minerals are essential for immunity and energy production. Thirdly, they're high in vitamin B1. Thiamine supports your metabolism and nervous system. Also, loaded with antioxidants and easy to digest, making them a great snack for sensitive stomachs. Last but not least, extra virgin olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil isn't just a cooking staple, it's a nutritional treasure trove. It's rich in vitamin E and A. These vitamins nourish your skin, support vision, and combat free radicals. It contains magnesium and potassium, essential for heart and muscle function, has zero effect on insulin. It's packed with phytonutrients. These compounds are anti-inflammatory, anti-cancer, and support mitochondrial health. Supports anti-aging, thanks to its antioxidant properties. It reduces beta amyloids, which may help prevent Alzheimer's disease. Has anti-clotting and antimicrobial properties, supporting cardiovascular and immune health. And lastly, its retinal protective properties means it helps protect your eyes from damage. Use it as a salad dressing, drizzle it over cooked veggies, or simply enjoy a spoonful for a nutritional boost. And there you have it. 7 incredible foods you need to be consuming regularly. Which of these foods is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone looking to eat healthier. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.